How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do hypnosis on yourself for beginners. Very easy to do. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So hypnosis, you guys, is really just about concentration and extreme focus. I can hypnotize myself. I've done it before. The main thing with hypnosis is, like I said, focus and concentration. The reason why I can do it so easily is because I've been meditating for over 6 years, and meditation is literally just about extreme focus and focusing on your breath. So if you want to hypnotize yourself for beginner, it's going to be extremely difficult to do because a lot of people have terrible attention spans and they can't really focus for a very long period of time. To hypnose yourself, to cause hypnosis on yourself, you have to focus on something for roughly 5 to 10 minutes with extreme concentration and focus. You can't just stare at something for 5 minutes and become hypnotized. You have to really, really focus on it and really, really stare at it, and just all your concentration has to go into it. It's kind of difficult to explain. Honestly, if you want the easiest way, I would practice meditating first. And then once you start getting really good at concentration, then you can try to hypnotize yourself. But I am able to do it just because I have the experience of the meditation for over 5 to 6 years, you guys. But again, like I said, hypnosis for beginners, it all has to do with focus and concentration. That's all it is. And again, once you start focusing and concentrating on something for about 5 to 10 minutes, you'll notice your eyes will get extremely heavy and you'll want to try to close them, go to sleep, but you keep them open and then you just get more and more hypnotized. That's how you do it. End the video. Thank you so much for watching.